Our buddy Vance from the White Post Auto Museum has introduced us to his brother Isaac, and we are here, and he is going to try and fix this pimple, this pimple on my hood that a rock came up from underneath and put a dent.
Oh yeah, so your paint is cracked.
I know it is. Yeah.
I can tap it down for you. You're gonna have to get it repainted, but
I know.
it out.
Oh my God! Oh! Look what you did!
You set up a freaking trap for me. I mean, the whole place is trapped. So do something.
Anyway, we weren't going to repaint the door before going to SEMA, but now Blair is racked by guilt.
Wow.
Okay. Get this out. These are actually nice buckets. I'm going to put the box on.
So I gotta take door handle off, door lock. So I'm gonna do that on the car. Then I'll take the door off. And the freaking hood. So you see this little clip? You slide this in and it picks up the ears. Yeah, you can do it with an Allen wrench, but this is pretty cool and they're cheap. Huh. I actually haven't checked this out. It's actually pretty clean.
Yeah. Whatever.
7 days of making that. Kevin, sector. Now I need the other tool to pop the pins out. Sit in. There we go. That's those pins. What a freaking mess. These are held on like that. And what is that? 10 mil, 3/8, 7/16.
Are we gonna pop the hood in there too?
Don't worry about that when I get there.
Yeah, oh,
Come off.
look at this, what the I don't know what happened there. I have no idea.
Can't see from technique what was going on, it must have got moved. It's the same thing around the door latches. Anywhere it's tightened up, when it's tightened up, it just squeaks the paint.
Oh, okay,
Door handle, door lock, are the same.
yeah.
Okay, this is painful. All right. So, got the door off. I have to. Okay. Fixing the big gouge from the creeper rolling against it, smacking it. So I'm sanding it and blocking it with 400. I guess I should have cleaned it first. Oh, it's all right. Okay. Get some different stuff.
Now look what Mike did to my beautiful hood.
What?
You see this? Total abuse.
It came from underneath the car.
Yeah, like you had something sitting on top of the
No.
motor, I'm guessing.
No, it's like the air cleaner's right here. It came up like a rock, came up.
And what'd you do? Follow a gravel truck for this one? Tailgating?
I think what happened was I got a chip and I was
It's
washing
a
the,
big freaking chip.
yeah, but no, I think what happened was I got a little chip and I pressure washed it.
Sure.
Yeah, anyway, that's my story. Hey, if you can say it's my fault that you dropped it.
You put a freaking knee into it.
Okay.
And yeah, I dropped a freaking creeper on it. But anyhow, so this is my joy.
Yeah.
So I get to redo this. And gee, that's a hood that I sanded and polished.
Yes.
Wow. I hope I get a chance to do that all over again. And we're off.
Let me grind that right up. Get rid of the shattered paint. Shattered. It's like my own optimism.
Blair, are you gonna need this masking paper in there?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Get it up in there.
Oh, yeah, it's thinking of me.
Oh no, I was pretty choked because we took it to Vance's brother and he tried to, right? But he said,
Paint was dent repaired?
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, like he got it flat, but it was, yeah, there's some mud in there.
Just a skiff.
I know. Well, hey, it's a 60-year-old hood, Blair.
You couldn't just leave it.
No, don't forget the one at the front.
Yes, I won't. Of course not.
I know, I'm just, you know.
Wow, that's a big rock. There's a little bit of dent. So, and again, in less than a week, he's going to take this back down into the freaking U.S. So take your time as long as it's done almost immediately. So that's my goal.
But Blair, remember, there's only one letter difference between better and bitter.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is very true.
You can see the gray sealer underneath. Gray sealer underneath. It's going to need a spot to filler because it just got a little dent in it. 120 grit. As usual, I don't have a lot of time to prime this. So I don't want any scratches.
Don't want to make any scratches, big ones. So we don't have time to prime it. So I'm going to sand it perfectly and smoothly And the primer scratches. So I don't need a high solid primer. A little bit closer. Take too long. Well, I think I'm gonna have to blow some primer on this just to be safe, so I'm just gonna mask in there and spot primer. Yeah, I can do whatever.
Yeah, because there's something missing. There's no stop on that window.
Oh.
Because it goes down too far and then it doesn't come up.
Okay, I'll just have a look here.
Yeah, I'm just saying, it was right as roll it down too far and it would not come up.
Yeah, I couldn't catch on to the freaking belt mold.
Yeah.
Let me have a look. Well, the rubber's in there, but it might be broken off. Anyhow, that's easy to fix.
Yeah, just,
That's just an adjustment.
yeah, I have to keep telling Matt, don't roll the window down past.
You're gonna spend 10 minutes in your 47 days adjusting the door.
Well, we'd have to take the.
But no!
I'm not qualified. I know a guy. He's really good.
Yeah.
Just grumpy all the time.
That's right.
Right.
Well, that's why I wouldn't be sending the transmission out. You just added a month to the job.
The next day.
Day 2, back at the shop. We got the hood, we got the door off for little minor repairs, had a little faux pas. We won't assign any blame, even though Blair did it.
You set me up.
Anyway, so we got the door prepped.
Yeah. I just gotta quickly block this out and that out.
Yep.
And
Blair,
ask him up and shoot him.
I just had a thought.
Yes.
Remember those 2 big chips on the inside of this door we were going to address at a later date? Remember?
No.
No, don't you remember those 2 big chips? Yeah, why don't we stand this up? I mean, while you're here,
Oh, jeez.
there,
Who did that?
Cassidy.
Cassidy?
Yes, so that's her patch, there and there.
Oh. Oh, jeez.
What do you think?
So now I gotta paint the freaking inner.
Well, I mean, you don't have to, but maybe just from here to there.
Oh yeah, where do we stop, man?
Right there, okay, you can stop right there.
No. I mean, I'm gonna have to do the whole freaking thing. Cut it off here.
Well, I mean, if it's too much work, I mean, I don't want to burden you.
It's like, where's the stop? You just drove it 20,000 clicks. It's not my fault. Holy.
Oh, is that a no or a yes? I am cleaning the shop for you. I will continue to toil ceaselessly until
on day 27 of shop cleanup? Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Should we do the inside of the hood and cover?
No. That's those are metallic memory magnet signatures. Yes.
Right, okay.
Okay.
So now we gotta hang it up to paint it instead of laying it down.
Well, you could always just paint it and then stand it up.
No.
Okay.
Fine, just, I'll get it.
Thanks, Blair. Appreciate you, man.
Oh, yeah.
Love ya.